Come on, come on,
Come on, Nicholas.
Y'all better watch out. I ain't got no driving license.
Why you didn't put his shoes on?
Because he can't walk with them.
Press the button arrow. There's a button somewhere over here.
Why is he going backwards? Come over here, Nicholas. Nicholas.
I thought he's coming forward.
Come on, Nick.
Come on.
Hey.
Because this is a good apple.
He's not a walker.
I know, but you lost it. You'll have this one in stock?
You haven't discontinued.
Why?
They just stopped making it.
Is there something wrong with it or what?
Come on, Nicholas.
So this is the last one you got?
Uh-huh.
Can I talk to the manager?
You can take it.